Oh, hi.
Hello.
I just ate an olive, and you know what? I'll do it again.
Ah!
It's Veganuary, day 29.
Oh my goodness.
Only 3 more videos until Veganuary is over. Obviously, I'm not going to stop posting after that. This time. Alright, so the cookbook today is Plants Only Kitchen.
Woo.
Gaz Oakley. He was so hot, like a few years ago. Maybe it was more than a few years ago. He kind of has faded into obscurity a little bit. He still is on YouTube. He had 3 cookbooks that he did like bing, bang, boom. And then I really haven't heard much from him.
Maybe he's just laying low, enjoying life.
I think he bought a farm, like a sustainable farm that he's like living off the land. And I think he was like on YouTube, I wish I could find someone to share this with. And now I think he has like a life partner.
That's wonderful.
It is wonderful. And you know what else is wonderful? His recipes and his cookbooks. I got this one, I got the Christmas one, and I can't remember what the third one was, like the vegan 100 or something like that. So today we're doing such a simple recipe, but it looks so delicious, and it is, because we've done this in some form before. I thought we did like the Martha Stewart version of this like
Maybe
eons ago. But it is incredible. 1 pot tomato pasta. So, so it doesn't get any easier than this, because this is basically, hold on, I just want to not lose the page here. Nope, that's not going to work. It's,
Can I help you?
No. Nope. You had to do it, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's basically throw it all in the pot, turn it on, and come back later. And it doesn't even, 15 to 18 minutes. So you're going to have to finish this after I go.
Uh-oh.
So we have a, what would you call this? Dutch oven here. Soup pot. We're going to start with these, our aromatics. So we have 2 cloves of garlic. We have about 12 cherry tomatoes halved. We have a red onion.
It smells so fresh.
It does smell really fresh. So we're going to start by putting these in. Full disclaimer, he says red wine, or not, sorry, not red wine, white wine. Vegan friendly white wine, but neither of us drink.
Yeah.
So we're just going to substitute more veggie bouillon for that. So I have 8 ounces of veggie bouillon in hot water already that I've been trying to like dissolve the bouillon. So that it's still in there. So we're going to do another 8 ounces because we're not putting the wine in, damn it. You can't make us. I know the alcohol cooks off and everything, but
I'm just not into it. We don't even really have it around.
no, we have red wine, which has been here forever. But, alright, that got it all out. I'm going to give that a stir. We're also going to be putting in, he says a handful of olives. I like a lot of olives. I have big hands as well. We got some capers, precious.
Oh.
3 tablespoons of capers. Can you tell he really likes capers?
I mean, what's not to love?
We love them too. So we're putting that in. We're putting some parsley in. He said fresh parsley. I don't have it. We're going to use dry, just as good, kind of. We also have some tomato paste from 2 recipes ago. And we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Because let's be honest, that amount of cherry tomatoes is not going to cut it.
No.
We need more. We need more flavor. I'm not going to put the salt and pepper in until we're ready to eat, because I let everybody usually, you know, decide for themselves how much salt and pepper they want. Everybody's different. Everybody wants a different amount of salt. And he said 7 ounces, so I'm just going to guess. This is a pound, so that's 16 in America. So I'm just going to guesstimate it's that much.
We need Nate Bargatze as George Washington to tell us.
Right? We also need another spoon because I already killed that spoon. Or did I? No, I did. Alright, so we're gonna bring this up to the boil, which shouldn't take long at all because I already had that water boiling. I guess we should probably put a lid on this too.
Yeah.
And you should probably come back every 5 minutes after I leave and give it a stir and see if it's ready. Because it should be ready in like 15 minutes.
All right, well, it better be because I got to exercise.
I know. I know. But isn't that easy?
Yeah.
And this is what we're having for lunch today because everybody devoured the tofu meatballs yesterday. There was only one meatball left.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
All right.
Come back. Come back. All right, so much has gone on, including a low battery situation here.
Low battery, you got Shawnee, I'm fresh off the bike.
All right, so let's explain what happened.
Okay.
We stirred it every 5 minutes.
Yes.
For 15 minutes.
Yes.
And then we turned the heat, well, after it came to a boil, we simmered.
Right.
For 15 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes. We took the cover off after 15 minutes and turned the heat off and let it sit.
Yes.
Because we weren't ready to eat right away.
Right.
So here we go. This is what it looks like.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
I just stirred it up a little bit so that it wasn't all like clumped together. Mm-hmm. But we're about to have lunch. Why don't you serve some up?
Okay. It looks so good.
It does look really good.
I was already texting Sean that we're going to be making this.
Oh, really?
So easy.
It is so easy. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than this.
Yeah, it's a little elevated above just like regular pasta.
You mean plain house pasta?
Yes.
It's got good stuff
That
in
is
there.
what I mean.
Does your husband like olives?
He does not, so I said we'll leave those out and then I'll just put them in mine.
Okay.
After.
But they taste so good cooked.
I know, but what are you going to do?
I know. Maybe you could put something else in, like artichokes or something.
That could be good.
Yeah.
Could be into that.
All right, it's cold, obviously. We're going to heat it up, but...
Trying to get every little bit.
Yes, get a little bit of everything.
Give me that onion. I'm dropping everything.
I already tasted it.
Oh, you did?
Full disclosure, yes.
Dang it. Get on there!
Get in there.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very good.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
As predicted, my battery just crept up. No, so I had to swap it out.
But wow.
You could go
really
to a restaurant and get that.
Yes, it tastes like restaurant pasta.
Yeah. This got a lot of flavor. You don't need any salt.
No.
If you wanted pepper, you could put pepper.
I don't even think I'm going to add any of that.
In the picture, it looks like the tomatoes aren't even cooked.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Maybe he added some fresh ones for
the photography, probably, but the olives
really make it for me.
If you do that and you leave out the olives,
maybe I'd cook them separately.
Exactly. Cook it in the microwave for like a minute or a minute and a half, and then
I feel like it would
put
be
it
good
on
with
yours.
Green too.
Green olives,
maybe.
Yeah. Bit. Or pesto.
Yeah.
You could swirl a little pesto in there.
Could even put a little kale in there or something.
All right, let's not get crazy.
All right. But this is really, really good. Oh my god. This on its own is
top level.
Beautiful. Yes.
And so easy.
Yes, I'm about to put some salad in here to round out my lunch.
Couldn't recommend it more.
Yeah. Highly recommend.
All right.
So thank you all so much for watching. We hope you give it a try. And we hope you join us for the rest of Veganuary. We're winding down.
So what is it? 2 more videos.
Yeah.
Officially.
Yes.
But don't forget, this is the new vlog channel.
This is going to be the vlog channel.
This is going to be the vlog channel. So
/ vegan.
There's going to be, a lot of vegan. There's going to be at least 1 to 2 videos per week, if not 3 at certain times.
We'll see. It depends on the time of year.
Plus, we're going to...
I don't want to make any promises.
Well, I'm going to say at least 2 vlogs and a recipe video, if the recipe video isn't in the vlogs.
Okay.
But there's also the special times of the year where we do Veganuary like we're doing now. Or Vlogmas. Plus, we might... some of the vegan creators do their Veganuary in July. Or they do... you know what I mean? Like another one.
Uh-huh.
But this is the vlog channel, so it's like, I know, but I'll handle it.
All right, well, we're not making any promises right now. I don't want to make any promises we can't keep.
All I'm saying is this is
more.
not the end.
Yeah.
This isn't the end, my friend.
All right. Well, thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you soon. And until then, much love.